This is an initiative that as Konza Technopolis, we are proud to have participated in, as we are preparing also towards the ISP conference in September. Through this campaign initiative of Let's Go to Kenya, we'll be able to attract tourists and investors to Konza Technopolis. We are establishing an environment within which creative sector, media, artists will be able to provide a platform within which they can train and provide a plug-and-play environment to enhance our creative economy and digital economy.
I'm here today to support the Let's Go to Kenya campaign that has been initiated by the Ministry of ICT to ride on Kenya's and Nairobi's designation as the best city to visit by Lonely Planet, and capture that moment to highlight Kenya's heritage and travel sites to an international audience.
It's an exciting opportunity in this country at this time, where the country is focusing on leveraging on the power of digital opportunities to market this country, market the talent of young people in this country. And most importantly, I come here because of our digital nomad tourism program that is really gaining a lot of momentum and trying to position Kenya as a destination for digital nomad tourism, because Kenya has all it takes, and taking advantage that we come from the cradle of mankind and the visa-free country. This is going to be a great opportunity for the digital freelancers in this country. I really want to take this opportunity to thank the Ministry of ICT, and more specifically the PS, for really ensuring that a representative from Turkana region comes into this space, and this is going to be a great opportunity.